Hi friends, today we will learn differences between compounds and mixtures. Property, compounds, mixtures. Property, combination of constants. Compounds. Constants are combined together chemically. Mixtures. Constants are combined together not chemically, but physically only. Property. Ratio of constants. Compounds. Same constants are present in a fixed ratio. Mixtures. Constants can be present in any ratio. Third property. Separation of constants. Constant can be separated only by chemical methods. Mixtures. Constants can be separated by physical methods. Fourth property. Properties. Compounds. Have properties different from those of their constituents. Mixtures. Properties are those of their constituents. Fifth property. Energy changes. Often energy is absorbed or released during the formation of compounds. Often no energy is absorbed or released when a mixture is formed. So these are the differences between compounds and mixtures. Thank you.